Speaking of green beans, how many of you blanch them before cook? Most people, they just blanch and stir fry them, and that's why the texture is wrong. Today, I'm going to show you the traditional Sichuan method called dry fry. I'm Nix from Chengdu, trained in classic Chinese cuisine and also studied French cuisine and Le Cordon Bleu. In this channel, I break down Chinese cooking with a Western twist, so it actually works in your kitchen. For Sichuan green beans, we do not blanch, we dry fry. It's similar to deep fry but with less oil. Then we build up a powerful flavor base, almost like Chinese sofrito. And also, I will give you a vegetarian version.
Let's get started. Here's what you need: green beans, minced pork, ginger, garlic, dried chili, Sichuan peppercorns, yacai, pickled mustard green. No yacai? No problem. I will give you sweeps. Soy sauce. We just need some meat to reach the flavor. Any meat works. Minced beef? Yes, you can. Minced chicken? Yes, you can. Vegetarian? Use finely chopped shiitake mushrooms and saute until slightly dry and brown. No yacai in your supermarket? You can skip it. Use sauteed shiitake mushroom with soy sauce. Looking for other chopped pickled veggies, not extra seasoning, just salt. Kimchi? No. Or even finely chopped black olives. Surprisingly close in umami.
First, the green beans. It is also called as the string beans because it has the tough string on the side. Remove them. Once more. Both sides.
We want a tender texture. After rinse, dry them very well. Like steak, dry the surface before you cook them. We often talk about Maillard reaction. Same idea here. We dry the surface so we can actually get that browning and flavor. Then, trim and cut into halves. We have two techniques to cook the green beans: deep fry or dry fry. Deep fry, 180 C, about 1 minute. Dry fry, traditional method, less oil. What are we looking for? Wrinkles, blisters, light claps. That means moisture is gone and the texture is right. Today, I'm dry frying. About half centimeter oil dips, about 180 C. Beans in, stir or just shake the pan. Cook evenly until every side wrinkles. Drain well. Light salt only. Traditional Chinese chefs don't use the thermometers, they read the oil. Light smoke on the edge means about 180. Bubbles slow down, moisture is leaving. That's your signal. As a Western chef, I prefer save my time by using high-tech. I just use blender to get minced pork and minced garlic, and cut ginger into fine brunoise, 2mm dice. Actually, the cook process will be done within 3 minutes. Pan with oil on medium heat. Saute minced pork first. Ginger in. Render fat, slightly dry. Add chili. Sichuan peppercorn. Toast until fragrant. Always manage your temperature and do not burn them. Garlic in. Now the aroma will be louder. Yacai in. Just like I said in my mapo tofu episode, let the oil extract the flavor. That's your flavor base. Pour back your beans, mix together. Little pinch of sugar to balance, and finish with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce from the edge. This dish should be dry, no sauce, no excess fat. Ideally, the skin of the bean should be very crispy, but inside should be tender. Mild Maillard flavor, a layered savory aroma from the fermented sauce and aromatics, and crazy good texture. Hit subscribe for more Chinese cooking breaking down for your kitchen. I'm Nix. See you next dish. Bye.